Day 3. Day 3.
Day 3 of the hike.
We just met all the porters.
Yeah.
Very nice, very cute.
We slept pretty good last night. I had trouble getting up. How about you?
No, I actually slept quite well. I'm surprised how well I slept.
Yeah.
And today's very cold, so we're kind of bundled up.
Yeah, we want to get moving. It's an easy day today, so I think we're just gonna hike like for 4 hours.
Yeah, something like that in total, and see a lot of historical sites. Hopefully, all the soreness and the blisters aren't killing us today.
Those are the ruins that we were at yesterday. I didn't even realize you could see it.
We can see from the snow-capped mountain. Nice spot to have.
What are we going through?
Tunnel of Blood.
Ooh.
Wow.
Going there tomorrow. It's called Aguascalientes. Snack time. Break time is over.
Break time over.
Time to see some ruins?
Yeah, I think we're doing a lot of ruins, or archaeological site viewing today.
It is so freaking hard to go downstairs. You would think upstairs is harder.
It's just more like technical. You have to be aware of every step, and we use all the poles.
Yeah, thought I could manage it without them, but nope.
We're on like the rainforest side too, so it's like
Slippery.
much more humid and like slippery, but
Yeah.
like the vegetation's all different. It's very cool.
Only one person can go down these stairs at a time.
What else is missing to be professional chef?
Toke.
We're gonna try and get him.
Scoot down with our stools.
You, okay, how to make one of the very famous dish we have in Peru, which one is lomo saltado. If you are talking about lomo saltado, so lomo saltado, my friends, is one of the number one, let's say, in Peru.
Shallow fry. Post lunch, day 3.
Just had a sick nap.
Yeah, she had a nap. I took a glacial meltwater shower, literally.
I'm gonna wait on the shower.
It felt great and terrible at the same time. Yeah, she's gonna wait. We hiked downhill for pretty much the whole time to get here. It was like 2.5 hours, something like that.
Like, I feel like way longer because we left
Really?
at like 7 a.m. from camp.
Maybe like 4 hours, yeah. But we're here at camp. It was also our lunch spot, and they decided to do like a cooking class. with lunch, and it was fun. It was great. But we also realized that when we were in Cusco, they had like Chinese influenced dishes all over the place, and we just thought that that was like kind of a thing that Peruvians like to have.
It was like very touristy.
Yeah, touristy too. Yeah, exactly.
And, like, cause the first thing I got was like quinoa stir fry, and I thought it was gonna be like quinoa and like Peruvian stir fry, but it was like soy sauce, which was like kind of strange.
So we came here today for lunch, and they're like, okay, cooking class. So they had all of us chop stuff, and then the chef came out and cooked, and it was a dish. I forget what it's called. Oh, lomo saltado, and it's basically like a fusion of Peruvian ingredients, but cooked in like a Chinese way because of the Chinese immigrants that came here, and a lot of soy sauce, and is basically like a stir fry with potatoes and local Peruvian vegetables and ingredients. It was very interesting.
We're about to go to our last dinner and happy hour
So sad.
of the trek.
Oh wow, it didn't even hit me until right now.
I know, it's so sad. It's the last one.
Yeah, but we have our we've got our tip ready for our porters and our chef and our guides, and we just saw this beautiful other mini Machu Picchu, and yeah, it's been a great day.
Just like receive it.
Oh my goodness.
There's like apricots on the side. They're like apricots.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.